Joe here with another tips and tricks, this time home edition. I'm here installing Avalon railing in my house with some under rail lighting, and there's an important thing you need to do to the end cap for your top rail. Normally when this rail goes together, the top rail end cover goes down over the bracket and meets flush with the top of the bracket. And you can see here with my wire coming through this hole, I'm going to crush it. Well, I have to modify that to look something like this. Now the best way to do it is to drill a 1/2 inch hole, use some tin snips and notch it out. This way when your top rail goes on, I didn't crush my wire. Here's an additional home edition tips and tricks, this time on Avalon stairs with lighting. I don't have a place to come out of my end cap and conceal my wire, so what we have to do is drill a small hole underneath the bracket. I used a 1/4 inch drill bit there and fed the lighting end of this wire through, not the fitting end. Then we're going to cover our work with a little bit of strip caulk and wire loom to make it look pretty. There's the finished look. Here you can see the finished product. A little lighting will let you keep track of your libation. For more information on lighting and Avalon railing, visit us at rdirail.com.